Hey everyone, in our today's video we'll be seeing how to hide files in Windows. It may be Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 7 and Windows 8. Whatever the version may be, we follow the same procedure. And without further delay, let's get started. So firstly we need to open our file or folder which you want to hide. Let's say in my case the demo.txt. I want to hide this file, so firstly give a left click and then right click. Go to properties, and here we have an options under attributes which is hidden. Just check that and click apply and OK. So you can see that the icon is just a bit faded here, so that means the file is in hidden state. So how to just hide this from the viewing perspective? So go to view and click on show. Just uncheck the hidden files so that you don't see the hidden files present anywhere in the system. So if you want to see the files that are hidden, you need to go to view and show and just check the hidden items so that you can see the hidden items here. And if you want to revert that changes, or if you want to remove the hidden filter that we have applied, we need to go to the same way, go to properties and uncheck the hidden option and just click apply and OK. So this is the way how we unhide the file. You can also differentiate the way the icon looks. It is a bit darker than the previous one. So this is how we hide the files. And if you want to hide the folder, the same procedure will be applied. Let's say in my case we'll take a backup folder which is 32 GB. Go to properties and check the hidden file and apply changes to this folder, subfolder and files. Click OK. We can differentiate by the way it looks. So you can see the file is in hidden state here and the color is faded here. So the files inside here also looks faded. So how we can hide this? So this is the way how we hide the folder as well. So if you want to revert back the same procedure, just click hidden, uncheck the hidden option, just apply and click on OK. So now you can see the icon is back to its original color. Previously it is a little faded in color. So this is how we generally hide the folder. We also have commands to execute the same, but we are not discussing in this video. If you want to know that, please drop down in the comments, and if you like the way, please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.